Boswell, I'm kind of nervous to meet your mother. Do I look okay? I tell you, say I have nothing for worry about, babes. You look beautiful. Just relax, no man. Ma Mavis, this is my girlfriend, Maytab. Maytab, meet mama. Oh, this is my mother-in-law. Oh, hello, Miss Mavis. How are you? I've heard so much about you. Okay. Then tell me something. You carry the son for to do come in here with you? Jesus God, mama. Harry Charles are your papa. Last idiot. Do you give me a little pass there? Oh, just a closer walk with thee. Basil, when you finish, cry excuse and come here. Yes, ma Mavis. Tell me something. Yes, ma'am. What a hit part that the girlfriend she come from? You know, say a Tantan Mountain our people them come from, though. Tantan Mountain. That a who for generation? I'm a Philbert daughter. Oh, you mean Figbot? We're married to Mara. And here we go. Then, boy, you know, sister, you are family ram. Then of we generation them. But we not too full on that this other family because them are wicked. You can't trust them. Remember now say Figbot African Estelle. Estelle did marry to now come back to me. Where the blasted man name used to walk from Tantan Mountain and Santa Cruz Market go sell pear. Name. Who you talk about? Come Houston. Estelle did marry to Houston. And Houston and Mama them are the third cousin. So your generation you gonna creep up, boy. But you mark it down 10. You take it, say me tell you say, I know nobody them. Feel but finger fearing thief, milk out of coffee. And Mara liba hobby man. I know nobody them. Remember how Con Estelle confess pan dead bed. You think a little then do two people picking it? You think a one or two picking a name, they write pan parchment paper and bury in a burying ground? Mama, wanna get them something different? Me say, take it, say me tell you. See, I know nobody them. Mama dead and gone. Say, not even a dog puppy you know want out of Estelle yard. That have a fig but mama. That a the girl where you can come here, granny. Me like a you wouldn't take me foot in my hand and say, not here, gentleman. You know, see a horse here, the girl have panny head. You know, see the girl have the whole heap of whole ornament, all about panny body. That is Cinti way have running, they coming like a Cinti way. In this a jingle like a rolling calf. Mama, I don't find too much fault, man. Me can't tell you how to live your life, but all me can tell you say is, me would have run like a thief. And that the one master. Oh, anyhow, your fat and look good though. Town agree with you. How hours a day you know? Sun pitch gone over there, so it look like about after 2. So Clifford gone from morning. He must soon come back, you know, me up in cut piece of the yam. Master say, in get a yam crack this year. Yam them pretty, dry.
Yeah, man, that good. Me love you.
Hope you hurry up and come so me can make a sunset and the pot so you can get something to catch up on the stomach before no leave. I never deceive we plan for leave. What I say we don't stay the weekend. Oh, no did I plan for stay the weekend? You are rehab. That a which a part. That a in a full place on no plan for spend. That the weekend. No there, the mama with you and papa. What you talk about? Master, you better move fire and go have God with you. You must drink mad puss piece. So you think me kill for myself per Market Road with salad basket pan this your head? For you can take for me place Tony in a whorehouse? Nothing like that, mama. Tony is going to name the little food and hold the road before bus stop run. Because one on now go do. If you come in a film yard, can't live no concubine life. Me is a woman of God. And one thing me can tell all of you know when me piss out. Say not a jack man not tap me. Fancy the pearly gates. Oh, no dirty life now live in a this. No dirty life now live in a this. How? Here I have been there call you.